This is the ornesign 8-pack. It also comes in other small packages and different types of colors. Check online for further detail. They are pathway lights, so we're going to show you the design that it shines and how it works, how easy it is to set up. Let's open up the package. We have everything laid out on the table. We have some assembly required. We are given an instruction guide. It has some information for you. The XLTD945. It's about 16.5 inches in height. You have a stake, a tube that snaps together. You're going to put into the ground. We have a plastic design cup that's going to snap on to the top of the pole. And then we have a little bit of an installation to do. Remove the battery tab to the 300 milliamp AAA battery. If ever you need to change the battery, it's as simple as removing the tab on the inside by giving a little push in, pull out, and taking the AAA battery out and placing a new one in correctly, rechargeable. And simply just line up, give a little twist, peel off the film for the solar array panel that needs to have direct sun for a number of hours a day to run a number of hours during the night. Full sun, 6 to 8 hours. Working time, 10 to 12 hours. All season light. We see the lights lit up, 6 of them. And I am going to place this on the floor so you can see the design it throws. The solar LED, it has a design circular off of the plastic throwing down. Place on a walkway or pathway the lights so many feet will light up the area. This is the light. It could be placed anywhere you want. As you can see the design, I'm putting it in over here and show you how it lights up.